A luxurious moisturizing spa experience might be exactly what you need. You know I'm right. So I want to tell you about this Tono body cream. Moisturizing, smells like a spa, so nice. So they did send this to me as a gift so that I could try it out. Look how much I've used already. So that I could try it out and tell you all about it. And look at how just luxuriously nourishing and moisturizing that is. So what you can do is you can target, like if you've got dry elbows, knees, heels, you can just rub it in those areas, but you can also put it just all over your body. And I went rogue and I went against the instructions. It does say to put it on after you shower, and I don't do that. I shower in the morning, but at night before I go to bed, I put this on. And I just kind of slather it on. The nice thing is it absorbs really quickly and it's not greasy. So it does just doesn't take much to put this on and spread it out, and it dries nicely, it smells good, and then I am good and moisturized when I go to bed. And then when I wake up in the morning, I feel like my skin has had just a long, cool drink of water overnight. So it's so good, I'm telling you. Use it after you shower, use it before you go to bed, use it any time you want. You won't be sorry. I love this. I'm not sorry. Thanks again. And if you want the same experience, I am going to link this down in the description so you can go grab one for yourself. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.